everybody. Today I'm going to show you a really quick cream sauce to go with this lemon pasta that I'm going to make. The first thing you need to do is, the recipe says to butterfly your chicken breast. I just went ahead and just sliced them horizontally just to make more. I had 2 chicken breasts and I sliced them up. You're going to dip them in some egg and milk. I will have all the measurements down below, and then you're going to roll them over into some panko crumbs and some salt and pepper. Then you're going to cook them with a little bit of oil until they're done. Okay, so this is what it looks like already cooked and everything. So you're going to take these out of the pan and you're going to put them on a plate or a cutting board, whichever. Okay, so we're over here. Chicken breasts have already been cooked. They're done. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It can be fresh or bottled. Okay, now let's go to back to the pan that we just used. Okay, so we're back at the skillet that we cooked the chicken in. You need to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. And it kind of helps with real butter to kind of cut it up a little bit, because it's extremely hard. It's not like margarine. I don't know, a lot of you, if you cook with it, but it's just best to always cook with it. It gives a better flavor. But you have to be really careful not to let it burn. Okay, now add you some garlic. And you're going to do it slowly. So that was 1 tablespoon. It's kind of supposed to do that. And you need to add your final tablespoon of lemon juice. And you can do it in slower increments if you want to, but we're pressed for time, so I'm trying to hurry. So it's really a really quick and easy cream sauce. It's basically done. And the only thing left to do is add parsley and some parm at the end. Now, while I was cooking my chicken, I had already got my pasta ready, which was fettuccini. Now, before, I've used spaghetti noodles instead of fettuccine, so you can do that, but for the video, I tried to do it correctly. And before you drain, I'm trying to wash this out. Before you drain your pasta, you need to reserve about ½ a cup, because you're going to use the pasta water to thicken your sauce if it needs thickened, or thinned, or whatever. Thinned is what I meant, not thickened. So I've already done that. I've already taken that out. Our parm. And you're going to need 1/3 of a cup. Do you have that? I don't even need to measure, because I know it's about that much. Maybe a pinch more. Okay. So it's basically going to make a lemon flavored Alfredo, because Alfredo's always got 3 ingredients. It's got heavy cream, Parmesan, and garlic. just you don't need to scorch it. So keep that in mind. Medium heat, and you need to sit here at the stove with it. Okay, that's it for today, y'all. If you want to see more cooking content, just make sure to like and subscribe below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, y'all, at the end of that, I forgot to tell you that you need to add a little bit of parsley, and then that would be the time that if it's too thick and you want to thin it out, to add your pasta water that you reserved. And that's it. You're going to take your bed of noodles and you're going to put the sauce over that, and then lay the chicken over top of that. Alright, see y'all next time.